Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bubbly's product review. I'm going to talk about this 10 feet family pool Play-Day brand today. I got this in $24 from Walmart on sale, but you can still get online in good price. It's pretty good, like 10 feet pool, and the quality is pretty good. Comparing to the price and other items is very good. And if you want, to some pool that you don't want to maintain, this is the good one, I think, because if you have like a below the ground pool, you have to do a lot of maintenance and everything, and you just maybe use only in summers more. So that's why I decided to get this one, and after summer I'm going to fold it back and take it out next summer. And also we need this filter, Intax filter, to keep the water nice and clean. As you can see, the pool is pretty good and big size. So today I'm going to unpack all that item, unbox it, review it, tell you how to install it, and cons and pros about it, and also the tips how to make it more useful. Let's see what's inside. Okay. This one is instruction and approved. I see a hole here where you have to blow it. You have to blow it over here, and then you have to cap it. Let's open it. Alright, so just I see is a heavy pool, and also I see this manual. It looks heavy to me for now, and that's it. I don't see anything else in this box, so let's go and blow it. Now I just spread this pool like this on the ground so that it can blow easily. You can see here there are 3 holes to blow, and I see one hole here. This is for draining the water. Actually I have a blower already, which you can see the blower is not included, but I have a blower with the 2 knobs. This is for the big hole, and this knob is for the small hole. So I'm going to blow it right now, and then let's see. Now I'm turning off the blower and blowing the pool. Decided to put the pool here, and I put some padding over here. That's a foam padding, because I have a water outlet here, and also for the electric for inflating the pool. So let's go and put the pool here. Now you can see the pool is inflated and it's quite big. I put the padding down because then it cannot like damage easily. If you put padding also when you float inside, I mean when you play inside, it will not hurt you from the bottom. So it's always better to put something down there. And you can see it's quite a big pool. So I'm going to put the sprinkler here, and it will take a long time to fill this up. Till then the kid can enjoy with the sprinkler, and as well as it's going to fill it up. One more time, it's important to know that when you inflate this pool, don't overinflate it. Let it be like this, little bit it should go in, because it will stay on the sun outside and sometimes it inflates by itself. So it's better not to put too much air on it. So now let's go put the sprinkler here and start filling up the water. This is Melissa and Doe sprinkler. I have reviewed this one also, and I'm going to link it in this video so that you can see its features too. And I put the hose here like this, attach the hose with it. So now the kid can enjoy the sprinkler, and also it will fill up the water in it. So it's a good idea. Another thing I would like to tell about this pool, this is the drain system, and if you want to drain this water, it takes forever. There's a little hole and sometimes water doesn't go there. So another way you can do is just take out all the air from it. Just open this cap and the air will come out, and this will go down and the water will come out. So make sure around you there should be enough space to let the water go anywhere. This is my front area, so it doesn't matter, water goes anywhere. There is a drain system over there, so anyways it will go out. So that's not a problem with me now. So you have to take care about that thing. And also while inflating this pool, there are two holes here. There are two caps, one for the small one, and if you take out all of this together, then there will be a big hole. So always use the big hole. It will inflate the pool in 2 minutes. If you use the small one, the top one, if you take it out, it will take forever. And that's what I would like to say about it right now. And let's see how the kids are enjoying in it. Okay, now she's playing with the sprinkler. It will take at least half an hour or more to fill this up. It's a big, pool. So till then, also she can enjoy with the sprinkler. And I'm going to give her a bucket of toys. She can enjoy till then. Yeah, you want a toy, Ashley? Hey, take a toy. Here. Oh, she's happy with that toy. Here we go. Yay, play with your toy. That's okay with toy. Balls, dolls, a teapot, and some bath toys I have from her bathtub. I can put it here now. I'll get some swing rings for her too, so that she can enjoy more. Put some chair also here so that I can sit here, watch her too, and do my things too. I'm going to get the chair now. Now see, there is a black line over there. Up to there you can fill it up. The sprinkler is still on and half of the way it is done, and she's still enjoying it. I will wait till it goes to that line. Actually, this is not very expensive pool. I got it $24 on sale, which is very good price for this much big pool. And if you want to buy online, I'm going to give the link where you can buy this one. Still, it's not a very expensive pool for this big one, and the quality of this looks pretty good. It looks solid from the bottom and good. I'm satisfied so far. Finally, I decided to get this bed chair over here, which is outdoor. She doesn't want to get out. Now I'm tired. I need to sit here and watch her, and even when she want to get out, she can sit down here. The pool is still filling up. I'm waiting till it fills up. So I need to sit down here now. Okay. This is Intax cartridge filter pump C330. Easy pump installation. Just attach hose and plug in. Includes two 1/4" diameter hose with clamps. Includes one hydro aeration technology Intel filtering, 25 feet power cord with a built-in GFCI for protection, convenient air release valve for easy pump priming, conforms to UL and CSA standard. So today I'm going to unpack this one and see what's inside. So let's see what's inside. I see the instruction manual. Hose for the two sides, two hose. And this is the main filter. And the electric cord. This is the electric cord you have to attach. And some item like this. I think this is for installing it. All those parts you have to install. And let's go and see how to install it. Now the pool is set, the filter is set. It's time to see how to maintain the pool, the water maintenance. For that, I use, if you see this bottle of chlorine, this is the chlorine, and it says cool chlorine. If you see here. Cool Essential. What it does is kills algae and bacteria, salt system compatible, fast acting, calcium free. So the brand is Cool Essential. I put 1 cup of this into the pool every week, or you can put twice a week depending on the condition of your water. And I talked about the filter. So see here, I attach this filter over here. This is the plug and this is the filter that is running now. So in the one side you have to attach this hose, and you see a round thing which has some net on it. That's kind of filter, strainer, you have to put in one side where the water going in, and this is another side where the water goes out. So for double filtration, I put some socks on it, or you can put some cloth for the double filtration. So when the water will come out, it will filter one more time. So during the video, maybe you noticed that my water was kind of yellow because I use well water and it has a lot of iron on it. So you can see all those iron settling down here, but this filter is working for that. And you see this side the water coming in and this side water coming out. So you can see this side is like clean because it filtered the iron on it, and this side is still doing it. I try to move this one a little bit like this so that more and more iron go inside, and you see here it's going in and it will filter here. It will go in and it will filter inside here. So I will open this filter also and show you how much it cleaned the water. And one more time, when you start the filter first time, I would suggest you fill this hose fully, totally fill it, so the water flow go very smooth. There is no bubble coming in, and it will filter the water better. So you can fill the hose with another hose with the water, or you can just dip the hose into the water so that all the pipe is full. Or you can use any other idea you have, no problem. So you can see there now on this side the water is coming out. Alright, and it's filtering double time, first inside this filter and next with the socks. I have 3-4 layers of socks and I tied it with the tie it, and that's how it is. So now I'm going to turn off this one. It has if you see here, it has numbers on it. These are the hours, how many hours you want to put your filter on. So generally for this kind of pool, 4 to 6 hours every day is enough to keep the water clean. So let me open this one now. So let me turn it off. I'm turning it off because I'm going to open the filter to show you. And now you see here, if I open it here, look at, it's cleaning the water. So you can pressure wash this one to clean it, and if it is like too dirty, you can replace the filter too. Thank you very much.